Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. I him many times. Option D is the correct answer. Question 2. They the place well. Option A is the correct answer. Question 3. He me a surprise gift. Option B is the correct answer. Question 4. The plane late today. Option C is the correct answer. Question 5. I lunch at 2 p.m. Option A is the correct answer. Question 6. He an important message. Option B is the correct answer. Question 7. We in the garden now. Option D is the correct answer. Question 8. The child loudly in the room. Option C is the correct answer. Question 9. They home early last night. Option C is the correct answer. Question 10. She to bed by 10 p.m. Option B is the correct answer. Question 11. The workers the B building.m. Option B is the correct answer. Question 12. The news on TV. Option B is the correct answer. Question 13. They a movie last night. Option B is the correct answer. Question 14. He me every weekend. Option B is the correct answer. Question 15. We dinner at a restaurant. Option C is the correct answer.